excited. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a very quick recipe. It's called mini corn dogs. But first of all, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here, and for those of you who are new, please consider hitting the like and the subscribe button down below. What are you waiting for, guys? My name is Nike. Join this family. So guys, the ingredients I'm gonna be needing first is my baking soda. There's a difference between baking soda and baking powder, so make sure you note it's baking soda. And our cornmeal, this is my yellow cornmeal. You could use whatever kind of cornmeal you want. And then some salt, some eggs, and our all-purpose flour, not self-rising, all-purpose, then sugar, and then of course some milk. I forgot to show the eggs here. Chai Nike. And then the star of the show, which is the beef franks itself. That's the sausages. Yes, I don't eat pork, so I always try to make sure I check very well in the store. I read and I just try to make sure I don't get pork. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, let's get straight to it. The first thing you're going to be needing to do here is to chop your corn dogs into slices that suits you. It all depends on you. As I always say when I'm in the kitchen, guys, every lady does differently in the kitchen. Use your discretion. So I'm gonna put all my dry ingredients in here now, and the first thing I'm gonna be putting in here is my flour. Yeah, flour. My flour. Yes, use your discretion. I mean, depends on the quantity you're making. I just don't know how to use measurement. I am so sorry, guys. Like, I'm African. And then the next thing here is my yellow cornmeal and some salts. Just a tablespoon of salt. That one I can, give you guys the measurements. Some sugar. I mean, use sugar that you feel is enough for you. This is the one that I'm using. I feel is going to be enough for me. Then my baking powder. Oh Lord, my baking soda goes in next. I hope you guys are entertained watching this video. What are you guys gonna be doing for Christmas, guys? I wanna know. Then you mix your dry ingredients, turn in your milk, a whole cup of milk, guys. I'm using a cup of milk. And then I forgot to show you guys the eggs, as I said. So there's my 2 eggs. Put my eggs in there, guys. Yeah. You mix. I didn't want to waste you guys' time showing you the mixing process. I mean, everybody knows how to mix, right? You just mix all your ingredients from the dry to the wet. Make sure your oil is getting hot at this point. Yes. And then I sprinkled a little bit of dry flour on my corn dogs. I don't know why this is done. I guess it's a tradition too. I don't know why though, but you actually do it because of the moist. You know how it's moisty. Maybe you take it out of the pack, you rinse it. It has a lot of water, so you do it just so it's dried, I guess. Then you dip your corn dogs into the bowl and you start frying, guys. I'm always using my ice cream scoop for this. You could use whatever you want that suits you, that makes you feel comfortable. And then the next thing you're gonna be doing is dipping it into the frying pan. Oh guys, look at my corn dogs. These corn dogs were so yummy. My son loves corn dogs. I mean, it's an easy snack. You could have it with tea in the morning. You could have it with whatever you want to have it with. It all depends on you guys. So this one is doing twins inside the frying pan. Oh God, Nike. I played so much, guys. Don't mind me. And then you turn, just fry your corn dogs till you feel they're, done and ready to be chowed. Guys, I'm so hungry this morning. And voila, my ginger tea is ready. And my corn dogs are ready too as well. So I want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, guys. Come join me. Let's drink this ginger tea and have some corn dogs. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year in advance. What kind of recipes are you guys going to be making for this Christmas? I would like to know.